Card please.
Mahina na yata mata ni nanay.
Nagbukas na. Receipt please. Thank you. Guys arrive safely tayo sa ating deliveran para bukas. But anyway, pinapalamig ko lang yung truck ko para sa ganun hindi matuyo yung langis sa turbo. Alright. Walang tagaktak na guys. Ayos. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ayan, nagbabalik ang Lakay Tracker at nandito na tayo ngayon sa Saint Periol, Quebec. Ay, nakita natin, nadaanan ko kaganina yung sign, yung border sign dyan sa Bandarian, yung Ontario at saka Quebec. Ayan. Sa mga nakasunod sa vlog natin, nag-pick up tayo sa Milton, Ontario. Gabi na nung natapos tayo. Nag-drive pa ako kagabi ng mga bandang hanggang ang 11:30. Naabot ko ang Cornwall. At nagising ako ng alas 8. Nagmaneho na ako agad-agad para sa ganun makalayo tayo ngayon, you know. But anyway, huminto ako dito sa dito na tayo sa Saint Periol, Quebec wait station. Ayan, nakita natin, nandyan yung wait station. Sarado sila ngayon. So magkakandak lang ako ng brake tire check ko at saka temperature check ng unit natin. Making sure wala tayong maging problema, although kahit na natin nag-pre-trip na tayo kaninang umaga, pero syempre kailangan pa rin natin i-check ang unit natin kapag may pagkakataon tayo, kasi baka mamaya may tama hindi natin alam, takbo lang tayo ng takbo. Yun, mahirap na, malayo-layo pa yung bibiyahin natin kasi Nova Scotia tayo. Sealed, kompleto ang sealed, taas baba. So Nova Scotia ang biyahe natin. Bali 3 delivery ito. Una, Nova Scotia, tapos babalik ako papunta rito, Debert, New Brunswick sa Moncton. Tapos from Moncton, babalik ulit ako doon sa Nova Scotia, Lagare. Yun yung panghuli. Puno pa. Hindi ko alam bakit gano'n ang ginawa nila. So today is Linggo. Lunes, andun na ako sa sa Nova Scotia. Yun ang delivery ko. Unang drop doon, tapos pabalik ako rito New Brunswick, tapos babalik ulit ako doon. So set point 0 ang temperature. Ayos. Okay, so si Cordapia, ang mahal nating Cordapia, bago ang kanyang windshield. Ayos, kahit pa paano. Ilaw, okay, gumagana. Tara guys, para hindi tayo abutin ng hapon. May pagkakataon pa tayo mamaya medyo mag-relax kapag natapos yung oras ng driving natin.
How in the world did you know that? Turo and I have had our own run-in with elevated men.
Alright guys,
Involved in that dust-up over in Abilene.
Montreal, Quebec.
Tell those men to get over there to break bonds out of
Ito
jail.
makikita nyo yung highway o mismong city ng Montreal. Ganito ka
ganito ka traffic. Meron din kasi doon sa kabila dumaan. Dapat doon na lang ako dumaan. Kaso medyo mas malayo kasi yun, iikot ka pa. Sa GPS baka mamaya may bagong karsada dyan hindi na-update itong aking truck GPS ko tapos tayo mag-iikot-ikot na naman tayo, search lang natin ang ano. Sa mga tropang taga Montreal marami tayong mga tropang Montreal dito, marami tayong kakilala. Mga Ilocano, Pangasinan. Sa kabila medyo matraffic sa kabila. Traffic. Ay, patay. Exit dito exit 68 exit tayo, exit 68 sabi ng GPS.
In 3/4 of a mile, take exit 68 on the right to Route 20 east, then keep right.
Okay. Ito Laval, Port Champlain, Quebec. Exit tayo rito.
Take exit 68 on the right to Route 20 east, then keep right.
ng ano, baka mamaya. Ay. Pakaliwa pala ito. Dito tayo dapat sa right.
Be in the right lane.
Okay, binigyan ako. Thank you. Dito, pakanon tayo. Doon yung mga building guys ng mga ano, ng Quebec. Montreal, Quebec doon. Ang mga building niya. Iwasan natin yung ano kasi baka mamaya mapadaan tayo sa Amerika eh. Patay tayo. Baka dalhin tayo ng truck GPS natin sa New York, sa Maine, America. Lalo yung mga ganyan guys, oh. Hindi pa tayo familiar sa mga salitang French. Hindi tayo French. Ingat-ingatan lang natin.
Continue on Route 15.
Focus lang tayo kasi ayoko nang mag-detour. Baka ma-miss natin yung mga exit dito. Magdi-detour tayo niya. na.
I'm gonna give this receipt to Mrs. Shannon. May I ask why you didn't just get the store? You saw. She's a woman with a lot of pride. Should have turned it down. Dolly would have wanted to spit in my face while she was doing it. I figured she's too much of a lazy rat. Of course, you're right. That's
Traffic talaga rito. Center of Montreal. Malayo pa tayo sa exit 53. May summer na guys. Ang dami ng ano, ang dami ng nagbabike, ang dami ng nag-jogging. Balik alindog program na naman yung mga tao.
It's like I'm making it my business to stop all the hell you and your hired guns from raising around here, Evan. If you have proof of anything, produce it. I don't intend to take you to court. I'm going to settle this myself.
Balik alindog program.
Monday had finally come around and struggled to his feet. The kid rested a hand on the butt of his gun. Monday had had a rough trouble for 1 year.
That will never happen, Mr. Ellen. Today.
He continued to look at her follow the button.
Mr. Morgan,
Sablay.
Your turn for it.
Kahit weekdays pala dito eh.
Your money to close the store. Pick it up from the ground and help it out.
Grabe ka traffic.
You'll be wanting this.
all I want is for everyone to leave me alone so I can raise these poor children to the best of my ability. Larry, Shepard, are you sure you can afford it? But you really should have been honest. You realize you put a huge target on your back, just like the Marshal and Jeff Dickinson did by defying Court Ellen.
I know that. That was sort of my intention.
To get yourself murdered?
Dick Allen was just enough to make a mistake. You never did.
I don't understand. The Sentinel's hired killers out. You and your friend can't fight a dozen men, Mr. Morgan.
Not just the two of us. There have to be some men in this town who can handle guns. Men who should have gotten together and stood up to Allen a long time before.
Parang ano lang ah, parang
Active citizens fighting professional criminals. Allen's men might wipe out the whole town.
Ellen needs folks to run all these businesses.
para Makati.
Carter finds out where anything is. And Allen has his men. A year from now, the town will be
What are you talking about?
Bihira lang yung truck na nakikita nyo guys.
You're wrong. But
Doon sila dumaan sa kabila.
It's going to vanish from the face of the earth. Don't have to explain it anymore. Okay.
Sa kabila sila dumaan.
I'm mighty curious to know why you think something's going to happen to wipe out the whole town.
Teresa would rather discuss it in a moment longer.
Not the people. This could be it. Everyone should be happy.
Mr. Dickinson sat down at a picnic table under the shade tree in the backyard.
My life has been good for the world for a number of years before we moved to Philadelphia.
Driving on shoulder prohibited. Eh, no? May sign sila dyan. Mahuli ka ng pulis dyan, nakapatay ka. Sigurado may mga pulis dyan. Ano yung bridge na yan mula dun sa dulo hanggang dun sa pinakadulong yon. Grabe magbisikleta ka, ilang kilometro yung bibisikletahan mo yan, saktong-sakto, nakaburn ka na ng calorie. Everyday yan ang bibisikletahan mo, papunta ka balik, ayos na. Kunin na natin itong kanan. Kasi mag-i-exit tayo dyan.
In 1 mile, take exit 53 on the right toward Oct 20 East.
Excuse me. Ayan, dito tayo. Exit tayo rito para makapunta tayo sa Auto Route 20. Pinaka main highway.
Take exit 53 on the right toward Lot 20 East. In 1/4 mile, be in the right lane, then keep right to Mavarmari Victorine.
Okay.
Keep right toward Lot 20 East.
Ako, ay. Traffic din dito.
In 1/2 mile, take the ramp on the left to Lot 20 East toward Montreal.
Ito eh, long real tayo.
When you find out how I pulled the rug out from under, well, you'll be able to think about getting even.
What are you gonna do?
I'll explain it all later.
Well, if you're still alive.
I plan to
Malilito ka talaga dito eh kapag hindi ka nakapokus eh. Montreal, Quebec.
Why would you do that for people you didn't even know until yesterday?
I don't know. Guess I've listened to too many ghosts in my time. As he had promised Teresa, the kid had the telegraph wires smoking to the powder horn and an assortment of places, both east and west, all the way from Chicago to San Francisco. The first pleasant was fine. More important, what he wanted to do wasn't possible. At least not as quickly as he wanted to do it. He had sent more wires, instructing his boys to make them. At the same time, he got to work with the railroad. At one time, Lillian Browning was one of them. Her son contracted to have a seat at that table anytime he wanted.
Hindi ko na-realize na mas matagal pala dito kaysa doon sa kabila dumaan. I just don't realize. Oops, oops. Dahil lang kasi BMW i15 yan, oh. i5 pala. BMW i5.
Take the ramp on the left to Lot 20 East toward Montreal.
Alright guys, yan. Kabalik na tayo rito.
Continue on Lot 20.
Dadaanan natin yung mga part ng Montreal. Downtown Alright guys, arriving to New Brunswick na tayo. New Brunswick, boundary ng Quebec at saka New Brunswick. Hanap na lang tayo ng tutulugan natin guys, kasi malapit na rin matapos ang aking driving hours. 4 na oras na lang. Okay guys, ito yung mga pinamili natin. So tubig, nag-refill ako ng tubig ko. Ayan, nakita nyo, kailangan natin wala tayong tubig. Tapos ito, Oikos, 13 gram of protein, cottage cheese. Ayan, kasama yung yan sa diet natin yan peanut butter. Kung gusto natin magsabaw paminsan-minsan, yan. Beef. Ito, almond. Roasted almond. Tapos, tuna. Bumila ako ng tuna. Ipalaman natin yan sa, ano guys, ito. Bumila ako ng wheat bread. 100% wheat bread. Ipalaman natin yan tuna pagka gusto natin mag-snacks. Manok. Naubos na yung manok mabilis ako sa manok guys. Tapos olive oil. Apple cider vinegar. Tapos egg whites. Yan. Banana. Okay, tara. Akyat ko lang ito tapos balik na ulit tayo sa biyahe. Alright guys, arrival na tayo sa boundary ng New Brunswick at saka Nova Scotia. Ito na yung kanilang Nova Scotia Welcome Center in 2 kilometer. Tapos may timbangan. Itong timbangan na to, hindi ito hindi ito nagsasarado yata. Parang laging bukas. Hopefully today isarado para dire-diretso tayo. Truck must use right lane for next 1.5 kilometer. Welcome Nova Scotia. Yan. Tagal-tagal na rin. Matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakarating ng Nova Scotia guys. Ang ganda sana yan pag binuksan nila lagyan nila ng daanan ng mga tao para makapunta roon. Dito na dapat, kaso iikot na parong. Welcome to Nova Scotia. Yan guys, tinanggal na nila yung ano rito. Nabangga yata mukhang nabangga. Okay, bukas ba sarado? Sarado? Wala. Sarado timbangan. Ayos, kahit pa paano nagsarado. Kala ko bukas ka na naman Ilang beses na rin ako na pullover dito. Yung guys, itong hammers na to, lagi yan. Kabilaan yan, sa kabila rin. Anyway guys, yan. Malapit na tayo sa deliverance. Ang oras na lang, pero may dadaanan pa tayong rito. May dadaanan pa tayong bot yung tawag ito. Toll bot pa, toll bot. May daan-daanan pa tayo toll bot. Amers exit 3.
Ang dami na namang dumi guys, oh. Kita nyo. Alright, so tulpi muna tayo. Oversized vehicle, right lane. Ito yung mga truck. Pang truck. Pang truck. Dapat parehas lang. Dahil busy kasi doon, kaya ina-accommodate din nila rito yung ano, yung mga kotse. Itap natin yung card natin. Saglitan lang, isaglitang tap lang yan. Mahal din ang bayad nito guys. Hinabot lang yung pera, susuklihan na. Card please. There you go. Nagbukas na. Receipt please, thank you. You too. Ito lang muna ito kasi ipapa-reimburse natin yan. Let's go. $15 yan guys. Ano bang sakit? Tignan natin. Ayan o, $15. Yan lang para hindi siya lipa rin. Sayang yan eh. Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo guys. Alright guys, ayan. Dito na tayo ngayon sa ating dideliveran. Dito na tayo sa Debart, Nova Scotia, sa ating delivery location para tomorrow. At nagpapasalamat ako, we arrived safely. Nakuha natin yung biyaheng ito na naman. At matagal nang hindi na ako bumibiyahe dito guys, kasi
So, dito na ako matutulog mismo sa sa dideliveran ko bukas. Dumiretso na ako dito para sa ganun dyan sa building na ito. Papasok na lang ako mamaya dyan at dyan ako mag-check in. Mahaba rin yung tinakbo natin ha. So from Milton, Ontario all the way rito is 1,082 miles, 1,100 miles kamo na lang. Nakuha rin natin ng 2 araw. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, no? Dumaan pa tayo sa New Brunswick, bumili ng pagkain natin para pantagdag sa baon. Ayan. Mag 8 days na rin ako dito sa Karsada ulit. Mula dito hanggang Winnipeg, kung kailan nila ako mabibigyan ng load. Matatapos ko kasi ang load na ito, guys, sa sa Miyerkules pa. So isang delivery bukas Lunes, pangalawang delivery sa Martes, pangatlong delivery sa Miyerkules. Biniyak-biyak nila. Wala tayong magagawa, ganun siguro yung diskarte nila. Pero hindi yun convenient sa mga truck driver na kagaya natin. But anyway, pinapalamig ko lang yung truck ko para sa ganun hindi matuyo yung langis sa turbo. Alright. Walang tagaktak na langis. Ayos. Tutan natin itong truck natin. Check ko. Pag nagpunta siguro ako ng New Brunswick, doon sa Moncton, magpapag-racing ako doon, Luban Gris. Magpa-Luban Gris tayo ron. Okay. Sulyado. Okay. Kalahati pa, marami pa. Tapos temperature set point, 0 ang set point, 0 ang box. Okay, so ayan guys arrive safely tayo sa ating deliveran para bukas. Tuloy ko na vlog ko rito guys, magpahinga na rin ako kasi mahaba-haba na yung binyahin natin. Once again, thank you for watching and I love you all guys. Salamat ulit. Peace out, bye bye.
Lakai Trucker.